So we're going to talk about cones now. Cones are like a prism, the same way that a cylinder is like, or I'm sorry, cones are like a pyramid, the same way cylinders are like a prism. Uh, a cone has one base, and its lateral area almost looks like a triangle. It's not. It does extend out. If you were to cut a cone open, it folds into a portion of a circle, a sector of a circle. One of the biggest things we need to look at is our slant height. We're going to use the letter L for slant height, R for radius, and then the height's still the height. It's the one that goes straight from the vertex straight down, forms a right angle. That's nothing new. The slant height, though, is anywhere on the shape. It actually will form a right angle with the base, but we're not going to use that right angle at all. We don't need that. So it goes straight, it goes down perpendicular, but we won't need that. So let's find the lateral area of the cone. Before we do, we need the total surface area equation. It's lateral area plus the base, and lateral or base, you know, is a circle. That's pi r squared. Lateral area is pi r L. Pi times r times that slant height. So here the slant height is 12. Diameter is 10, so r is 5. So total surface, we just need lateral area here. It's pi r L. Pi times r, which is 5, times L, which is 12. So my lateral area is 60 pi. Next one. Let's find the surface area of a cone with a height of 15 and a diameter of 16 feet. So, if I have this drawn, pretty good cone, I know my radius is 8. My radius is 8 because my diameter is 16, and my height, going straight up and down, is 15. Now these form a right angle. 8, 15, and 17 tells me that my slant height is 17 because we know our triples already. Total surface area is pi r L, my lateral area, plus pi r squared, my base. So let's start plugging stuff in. Pi, r is 8, L is 17, plus pi r squared, 8 squared. So 8 times 17 gets me 136. So 136 pi plus 64 pi, because 8 squared is 64. Add those together, you get 200 pi. So my total surface area is 200 pi units. Remember, check your understandings, because of the online format may ask you to just submit a decimal. So you take 200 times pi in your calculator and get the decimal. So let's find the total surface area here. We have a cone attached to a cylinder. So for my total surface area, I need the lateral area of the cone plus the lateral area of the cylinder plus one base. We only need this base on the far right hand side, because if you take a cone and a cylinder and you attach them, the parts that are attached is not actually on the outside anymore, so it's no longer part of the surface area. So my cone lateral area is not 2, that's the next one, pi r L. My lateral area of the cylinder is 2 pi r h, and my base is a circle, pi r squared. So pi r L, r is 4, slant height is 8, 2 pi r is 4. The height of the cylinder is from one base to the other. Even though it's laying down, it's still a height. And then pi r squared for that last base on the far right. So we got 32 pi plus 2 times 4 times 3 is 24 pi plus 4 squared, 16 pi. So 32 plus 24 plus 16 gets us 72 pi for my total surface area. So one of the easiest things for this is to literally break it apart into what can I see from the outside. I can see the lateral area of the cone, I can see the lateral area of the cylinder, and I can see that bottom base. Because they're connected, this base does not become part of the surface area. And let's find the area of a cone. Height of 8, diameter of 12. So we got a cone, diameter of 8 tells me, or 12 tells me the radius is 6. I have a height of 8 and a right angle. So using triples again, 6, 8, and 10 is a multiple of 3, 4, and 5. My total surface area is the lateral area plus the base. So pi RL plus pi r squared. R is 6, L is 10, slant height is 10, plus pi times r squared, which is 6 squared. 6 times 10 is 60, plus 36 pi because 6 squared. Add those together, 96.